Hello everyone, welcome to some basic tech, and you are also running a Windows machine in AWS console, and RDP is working fine. But if you click to connect, and in the SSM Session Manager, if you not find any a way to connect and just log in on the machine, I mean on the VDI, then you will have to perform couple of things. Then it will start working. The first thing is SSM agent unable to acquire credentials. This is going through the role or assignment. Then it will start working. Okay, and once the request, I mean the appropriate role is assigned, it will start working after rebooting, or you can say after the session is established. Okay, so what we have to do is just go back in IAMs. Okay, in the IAM, create a new role, AWS service, choose EC2, and just do next. Here, Amazon SSM. Okay, in the SSM managed instance core, we need to use this one. Okay, and just click on it and just do next. Provide suitable name like SSM underscore manager for demo. Okay, now just create a role. Once the role is created, go back to the EC2 service page, go to instances, and here just select the Windows machine or whatever machine you have. Go to actions, security, modify role, and attach the role that you wanna use. Okay, so that was SSM manager for demo. Update IAM role. Once it is updated, I would go fast by rebooting the instance, and let's wait few seconds to come up the machine, and let's see if we're able to connect. And so in between, if you like the channel, kindly do subscribe, share, and comment. If you are facing any similar issues or any kind of issues related to technology or something, I would definitely help you out, and we'll go further to do more troubleshootings. Okay, so here let's wait few more seconds, and let me try to connect and see. The ping status is online. However, it was online earlier. Session manager connection status connected. Now click to connect. So through this way, you don't need to just download the .pem file, open mstsc service, I mean the remote desktop way, and connect on the machine. You are going to directly connect on the console, and you can start using the machine. So as of now, it's preparing, and once it is prepared, we will able to connect. Perfect. So you can see I'm connected, and I'm in the system 32. Okay, now if you want to go to any section, users or something, you can directly go. Okay, so this is just for demonstration purpose, and here you will able to use in CLI mode. You can see here, and through the remote, you can simply do RDP, and by RDP you can definitely able to connect by just putting the server IP. Okay, you can get the server IP from here, and if you are not able to find out, just go to networking, just do the public IP, just do the normal remote desktop connection process. And for the password related things, you can see here, this is the public DNS. You have to just put in the RDP. Administrator is the user, and to generate password, you have to put just come here and upload the private file, and that's it. It will decrypt the password and you will get the new auto generated password. Then you will utilize that password. That is the best way to log in any Windows machine. And of course, the main thing that you should always remember is security group. And for security group related things, you have to just come to security group and verify which security group is attached. However, this is attached on my machine, and I'm going to inbound rule and make sure to add 3389 port. Okay, RDP, basically it's a 3389, and just choose the broadcasting path and save rule. That's it. You will definitely able to connect. Okay, so that's the way you are going to use. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.